There was a report last year that the richest 1% of people on the planet are responsible for more emissions than the poorest 66%. I often have older white men, not to generalise, but to generalise, coming up to me after panels and saying, oh, but you missed the most important point, which is, overpopulation. And that's a very convenient way of kind of pointing the finger at countries like China and India and not acknowledging that actually what we're talking about is inequality and overconsumption and the fact that there are a minority of people who hold the majority of the world's wealth and resources. And then also, if we look closer to home, in countries like the UK, last year, just 24 hours after the International Energy Agency came out and said we can't afford any new oil and gas infrastructure, Rishi Sunak's government came out and said, great, we've just approved Rosebank, the largest untapped oil field, alongside hundreds of new oil and gas licenses. And now Rosebank will produce emissions equivalent to 28 low-income countries, home to 700 million people, including Uganda, Ethiopia, Mozambique,